Restaurants serve oysters with granita all the time, and they make it sound so fancy and they charge you an arm and a leg for it. But anyone can do it, it's super easy, and you can make granita out of anything. You just start with any beverage you love, wine, beer, fruit juice, whatever. You add a speck of salt and pepper to season it, maybe a little bit of lemon or vinegar just to get it a little more acidic, and you put it in a tray and you freeze it. Sometimes it takes a few hours, maybe overnight, depending on your freezer. Whenever you're ready to serve oysters, you just take a fork, scrape the top of it. Look how easy. So you get this nice, beautiful, snowy ice. Toss it right on top of oysters in the half shell, put it in a salad, or eat a big bowl of it. It's super good, super easy. My favorite granita, super straightforward, grapefruit juice. And always like it fresh. Sometimes a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of olive oil even in it is awesome. Granita in general, I would feed it to Ben after we're done shucking. Yeah, I don't know, or we just go for a walk and eat it, whatever. It's squirting all over my arms.